There's a question posed on the YouTube by Hassan Fahmi. Assalamu alaikum Dr. Zakir. Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Is it mandatory to go to the masjid if the masjid is 10 to 15 minutes by walk and there is no mode of transportation? As far as for the gents, for a Muslim adult man, praying 5 times a fard, 5 times a day in the mosque is fard. There may be difference of opinion in some schools of thought, some may say fard kifaya, but the real correct ruling, it is fard. According to Imam Adhabi, he says, if you do not pray in congregation in the mosque without a valid reason, it is gunaya kabira. It is a major sin. And he puts it at number 65. If you do not pray in the mosque in congregation without a valid reason, it is the 65th major sin. If you do not pray, it is the 4th major sin according to Imam Adhabi in his book The Kabair. If you do not pray, it is the 4th major sin. But if you do not pray in the mosque, in a congregation, without a valid reason, it is the 65th major sin. And I agree more with Imam Adhabi that not praying in the mosque without a valid reason, it is a major sin. Now coming to your question, that if you are staying 10 to 15 minutes away from the mosque, and if there's no mode of transportation, what should you do? You should see to it that you shift your house close to the mosque, or you buy a mode of transportation. Once in a while, for a certain reason, if you're sick, you do not go, or if you don't have a transportation, if you don't go to the mosque for praying in Jamaat, that can be accepted. But as a regular habit that you don't have a mode of transportation, then you get a mode of transportation. Or you see to it that you stay close to the mosque, whatever it is, but regularly not praying without any valid reason. Some of the scholars say it is haram. Imam Adhabi says it is a major sin. So my advice to you would be, see to it that you pray 5 times a day in congregation, in Jamaat, in Salah. Because the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that while talking about the Maghrib Salah and the Isha Salah, he said he felt like asking the Muazzin to lead the Salah so that he could go and torch, light up, burn the houses of those men who are not coming for Salah to the masjid. Imagine, the beloved Prophet said he felt like burning the houses of those Muslim men who stayed in their home and did not come for the compulsory congregation Salah. So based on this, there are various hadith in Sahih Muslim, Sahih Bukhari. So based on this, Imam Adhabi categorizes not praying in the mosque without a valid reason, the congregation 5 times Salah, it's a major sin. And I request you, brother, that see to it that you start praying in the mosque 5 times a day. Whatever means, whether you get it on mode of transportation or you shift closer to a mosque, whichever is more convenient for you. Hope that answers the question.